Hello friends, it's Chicky Kids Land. Now I draw a baby, a sleeping baby. First I draw a head of a baby. Just draw a circle. And I draw eyes, and then eyebrows. Then I draw a nose. And then I draw a pacifier, a cute pacifier the baby is sleeping. Then I draw ear, the one side ear, left ear. And then I draw a back of the baby. And now I draw a baby leg. This is the arm of the baby, and this is the leg of the baby. Just give it a curve. And this is a back, and this is a foot of the baby. This looks cute, I know. If you want to draw it, just saw me and draw it. It's a magic. Oh my god. Now I draw the bed of the baby. This is a blanket. This is a cute blanket. After covering, it looks so real. And now I draw a hair. I speed up the drawing, and both the drawing just look. Okay kids, let's start coloring. First I take the yellow color for the face of this baby, and the feet and the hand, ear. Red color for the pacifier. Now I use blue color for the baby shirt. This is a baby boy. Now I use pink color for baby bed. And this is the purple color. This If you like my drawing, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. The Chicky Kids Land.